Cause since you don't wanna welcome back. Today we're gonna do, for the first time ever, a channel takeover. It's going to be Jessica's vlog today. I'm gonna meet her in Connection, so
Hi, baby.
how's it going, girl? Bye.
Better bitch.
Oh, you said better. By the way, I said on the intro that today is a Jessica takeover.
What? Me? Oh.
Because since you don't want to vlog, literally forcing you to.
Baby, I start with one thing, we finish with another.
No, oh, yeah, your videos are great. I'm gonna do the vlog with you and I'm gonna edit it and this is gonna be your vlog, so.
Okay, I'll try my best. I've been pushing through that DCP. If you know about the checks, you know. Other than that, baby, we in the parks every day, bro. Don't get me wrong, having a lot of fun in the park. The rat just need to pay better. We already been speak about this. We know about this.
By the time that I post this video, you're gonna be out of here.
I mean, raise my salary. A bitch broke. For today, guess where we about to go? My favorite ride of all time. That's it.
You know that I'm waiting on this line for you.
Look it. Watch. It's not gonna be that time. It's shorter.
Yeah, girl.
I'm a girl on a mission. Al frente. Porque vamos a cortar y después vamos a estar chocando con todo el mundo, ¿me entiendes? Así que, mira, aquí, pues así todo nos fuimos. Every day I be up in this bitch. Every day.
Okay, so what song do you want?
The world or Conga?
We're gonna get that one.
Beautiful. Baby, I've been waiting for you.
It is never gonna work.
I stopped this unusually large man. What do you like me doing? Have you not been paying attention?
It was amazing, even though the song could have been better. No way! I'll still be jamming. I don't care. That ride is amazing. Where are we going to?
Eat?
Oh yes, please. Tradición. This is the one of Bahamas. I had a friend that she used to tell me that this tastes like medicine. This ain't for her, this for me. Alright, so here we are. We made our way over to Moana. Feel the water, the freshness. Sentirnos tropical.
I think you're going the wrong way, babe.
We're coming. After going on the journey of water and experience all the little cute shit they got here. Mira la que bella. Thank you, Mother Nature. Te amo a veces. Hollywood Studios. Aquí estamos saliendo de Epcot. Vamos a comer en Pizza Rizzo. They're gonna close it in June. I'm not sure if that's information I could be saying. So by the time y'all see it, it's gonna be close, so it don't matter.
One, but to another one. What is your favorite thing to tell people?
Well, I love telling people safe travels. Instead of have a great day, I'll be like, safe travels. You know what I do hate? Till Aspire, to me, sounds cringy as fuck. I like saying bright sun.
Bright sun is probably my favorite one.
But I don't like saying it because people look at you like, huh? As if it's that hard to understand. Bright suns, bitch. The sun is bright. What does that mean?
Don't be doing that. Oh. I used to work at Gala's Dish. Now she works at Gala's Dish, so. Not the feet pics. Screenshot it. Sell it.
I ignore her because I'm always doing music. We in Hollywood today. We about to eat a pizzerizo because bitches be starving up in here. Let's go eat.
You brought me to this raggedy ass place.
I love this raggedy ass place. I don't know, but this gets me so full.
I need like 2 of these.
Really?
Yeah. If I go to New York City, I'll spend $6 and I can get 3 slices with a Coke.
But are we in New York right now?
Oh, I'm just saying. It'd be too expensive. I can justify paying $20. Here my fat ass got the big ass cup.
Here we are in the Tower of Terror. Ain't nobody scared here. Are you ready?
No.
That door is open once again.
I love it. We got on a funnel cake right now, and it's hot as well. Hi. He was like, hold this, and I was like, yes, I will. It's too hot. Yo sufro. We did this, we did that, but now I need to work for the mouse or work for Olga, that bitch. That's why she don't show face, because her face card be declining.
It's good.
I hope y'all had a fun time with me hosting today and taking over King's channel.
We did. Jessica clocked in, and now I'm gonna go into the Droid Depot and see if she's there.
Affirmative. You're welcome.
So adorable.